Hi everyone, I hope that you're doing okay. Today I wanted to start my series on Devonthink and provide you with new tutorials on Devonthink. Obviously, this is a complicated application, and this will be a series that aims to simplify Devonthink, especially if you're a first-time user, to allow you to see most of its features. I don't use all the features, so what I will do is create small videos, probably several small videos, so that each feature can be described to you, keeping it simple. And I hope that this will be helpful because this has been requested quite a bit. So without further ado, let's get started. This is Devonthink tutorial part 1 on tutorials. So here we are into Devonthink in one of my database. So these are called databases, and they are basically kind of categories of files. These are not files that you can extract as easily. You can extract easily what's inside the files, or documents and things, but the database per se are not just folders. They're truly complex files that you cannot just take and put on your computers and open it as a package. It's more complicated than that. But however, what's inside a database is very easy to open and manage and utilize if you need to do that. So first, let's talk about how the application is set up and more of the user interface. I've done an overview about Devonthink if you want to have a look, but I would reiterate that here so that you don't have to go and see the video again. So Devonthink is divided, I would say, in 3 parts. You will have the menu bar on the top here, and then the sidebar, and then the content. So the menu bar on the top will show you some of the features of Devonthink. I customized it a little bit for my needs. So to do that, you just click on Customize Toolbar, and you can choose from the plethora of features what you want to have available easily. So I would go through all these features in the next video. For now, I'll just show you how it's laid out. Then you have a sidebar here when you'll be able to have your inbox, your trash can here, all your databases, which are basically, again, categories. You can set that up as you wish. And then your favorites. You can show your favorites here, and then your smart groups. The smart groups are customized group that you can create based on different conditions that you will set up, and you will customize this as you see fit. I will obviously show you how to do that on a later video. But this is how it is set up. So in Devonthink, you also have ways to grab information from the net and import it inside of Devonthink. So let's say that I would have to research the brain on Wikipedia. I can just grab a wiki page here. So I can click on Devonthink and then grab this particular page in different format. I will demonstrate that in further detail in another video, but basically you have the choice, and this will get inside of your inbox immediately, or any other files or databases of your choice. So it's pretty convenient, and I personally prefer this clipper to the Evernote clipper. And I know you might think, oh, what? But yes, I do. I think there's more choices of kind of a type of documents that you can import, and they are shareable, and they come in the original format. And this is what, for me, differentiate Devonthink to Evernote, the fact that you can share it with everybody. It won't change the format, the original format of the document. So this is important when you work with other people, because not everybody is kind of like a productivity master and understand Evernote in itself, which is complicated. For me, Devonthink is mainly something I use for work, so store everything for work inside of Devonthink. But anyway, yeah, so this is how it is laid out. So you also have different views if you want to see your document in different ways. Obviously, I just show you that so you get an overview of the application. So you have this view where you can see your folders simply displayed like this. You'll have this view here where you would just have the name, the topics, I would say. One has been modified a kind. You can also customize these columns, by the way. Again, I will demonstrate that in another video, but you can do that. Here you have kind of a 3-panel kind of look, which is probably one of my favorites. I love this view when it comes to work because I can really kind of see what's going on, and it's easier for me to work that way. You have this view also, which is also one of my favorite because I can move items from one file to another. It's a little bit easier. Then you have this view here, which will show you kind of what's inside a particular file folder, and then you can just click on it and have a look at it. And then you have the tag kind of view. You can see document related to certain tags. I don't work with tags a lot when it comes to Devonthink because it defines the folder structure, which is more like a typical kind of folder, subfolder, subfolder inside of subfolders. So if you're used to this type of organization, and Devonthink is perfect for you. So this video was about showing you how the app was laid out. So there will only be small bite-sized kind of video like this. So bear with me, you get more information as you go along, but this is mainly made so that you don't get overwhelmed because it gets really complicated. I mean, not complicated like you have to be a genius, but I mean, you know, there's a lot of information. So I'd rather do it like this. It's easier for me, it's easier for you, and you get to kind of digest information a little bit better. So anyway, in the next video, we will start with the interesting bits, and that is creating your first database. So I will see you in the next video, and in the meantime, I wish you a great productive day, and see you soon. Bye-bye.